is Erica T. De Ocampo from DPED F2. First, I will discuss the behaviorism by John Watson, rewards and reinforcement. Behaviorism is a school of thought in psychology that emphasizes the study of observable behaviors and their relationship to environmental influence. It focuses on how behaviors are learned through conditioning and reinforcement rather than internal mental processes or thoughts. The qualities of behaviorism is emphasize empirical observation and experimentation, making it a highly scientific approach to studying behavior. First is the practical application. Behaviorist principles have been widely applied in various fields, including education. Second is focus on measurable outcomes. Behaviorism focuses on measurable changes in behavior, making it easier to assess the effectiveness of intervention. Lastly is emphasis of environmental influence. Behaviorism highlights the significant role of the environmental in shaping behavior. As a future teacher soon, I find behaviorism helpful for creating a structured classroom, motivating students and managing and challenging behavior. It provides clearly expectation and consistent consequence, making learning more predictable and manageable. However, I also recognize the importance of building relationships, understanding individual needs, and promoting instinct motivation, which are not slowly addressed by behaviorism. Motivating student behaviorist principle like reinforcement can be used to motivate student and encourage desired behavior. Building relationship. I prioritize building positive relationship with students, creating a supportive and caring classroom environment which they feel valued and respect. While behaviorism offers value tools for classroom management and motivation, I believe in a balanced approach that combines its principles with other strategies to create a rich and supportive learning environment for all students.